Hi, I'm Meg. I study Archaeology and Ancient History here at Newcastle University. I chose to study at Newcastle because even just from the first visit to the campus here, I could really tell that the staff cared about what they were teaching us, and there was a real great sense of community within the department.
My name's Amy and I study Ancient History and Archaeology. I chose Newcastle because it had the best archaeology for Roman archaeology.
Archaeology is unique because it means that you can literally get your hands dirty and get involved in that first stage of excavation and really bringing that history to life.
Well, we look at past people through their material remains, so we're very often dealing without any form of text. We really employ a lot of creative methods to try and reconstruct the human past. So students learn about how to locate archaeological sites and excavate them and recover that material that hasn't been seen for thousands of years, but also how to analyse material in the laboratory.
Archaeology is something that combines almost every other subject: music, philosophy, art, and we use that to help interpret past societies. So it's the sort of subject in which there's a space for everyone.
One of the facilities that we have here at the Archaeology department is the finds room. So that's a really cool facility where we get to look at and interact with artifacts post-excavation. And personally, I've been doing some illustration work in there. So it's another really cool aspect of post-ex that I'm excited to be learning more about. Some of the stuff I've been illustrating is from a site that I was excavating on a couple of summers ago.
I did a field trip to Bird Oswald Roman Fort in the summer of my first and second year. We stayed in a Roman fort for 2 weeks. And that was really, really fun.
So during fieldwork we spend 2 weeks learning the hands-on practical skills of what it's like to dig, but also what we do after that. So being able to do environmental studies and learn how we handle skeletons, which has been really interesting, and learning about the science part of archaeology as well as the heritage and legal side of it and working with the public.
We're very fortunate here in Newcastle, here in the northeast of England. We have lots of resources that let us draw on all sorts of opportunities for our students.
So one of the facilities we use and have is the Great North Museum, which is right next to campus, and it has one of the best Roman and Greek collections in England.
That lets us bring artifacts, the ancient objects, into the classroom so that you're learning and teaching with those, whether that's coins or pottery, glass, animal bones, a whole range of the real thing to learn and study from.
We're in an amazing archaeological landscape, so we obviously have Hadrian's Wall, which everyone knows about, but really important sort of early medieval religious centres, Lindisfarne and Jarrow, and amazing prehistoric rock art. All these things we encounter with field trips as well, so it's a fantastic place to study.
Archaeology is a degree that really benefits almost any career path, really. Because it is such a diverse field, such a diverse subject, you learn so many things. You develop quite a wide range of skills in addition to the standard kind of really critical thinking and good communication skills you would get in any humanities degree. And so our graduates have any number of job roles. We know that they go into teaching and education. We know they go on to commercial archaeology work. We have students who have gone on to work in museums. We have students who've gone to work in law. And because it's so diverse, often it's a really good foundation for any number of jobs or further degrees.
If someone was considering studying archaeology here at Newcastle, I would absolutely tell them to go for it. It's been the best experience of my life. I've made some amazing friends and some amazing connections with staff members here, and the community feel is just absolutely brilliant.
It's probably been the best 3 years of my life.